Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use a portable air conditioner cooling fan. Now you say, what the heck kind of fan is a portable air conditioner? Well, most fans obviously are a little bit of air conditioners because they displace the hot air, thereby making you feel cooler. However, this one, you can add water to it and then it will make the air cooler. It can also mist. In addition, you can add ice and then it will really make the air colder. Also, it will act as a humidifier, so it might be a great fan for you to use in your bedroom at nighttime in the winter. If you live in the cold, snowy areas when it is dry as a bone and your skin cracks and falls off, then you may need this product. So we're going to show you how to use it. This will be a quick video, pretty simple product to use. If you want to see how it was packaged, you can check out the unboxing video in a card up here. That will be on the Honest Reviews YouTube channel. Overall packed pretty well. As you can see, looks to be in good shape. So we're going to test it out, use it right now, and show you how this product works. So very simple. Got to plug it in. We got it plugged in right now. And then you can see there's a little light here, obviously showing it has power. Very sensitive. So we'll touch it, turn it on. You've got fan speeds 1, 2, and 3. You can have a timer, so if you're going to bed or something and you only want it on for 4 hours or 2 hours, if you're leaving the house, maybe you want it on for 8 hours while you're gone at work and you don't like the fan noise, then it comes off before you get home. Pretty slick. You got high and low for air conditioning, for cooling, and then also you have a light button, which is kind of neat, so we'll show you that right now. So let's turn it on. We got the fan. Kind of nice airflow. You can hear it. Fan number 2. Number 3. So pretty good fan power, I would say. Maybe show you a little demonstration of how it pretty straight out. Lower. So nice there. All right, let's see. Timer. Very simple. We're not going to wait 2 hours for this thing to turn off, but easy to use. High, low. This would be if you put water in there, so we'll do that next. And let's just show you the lights right now. Pretty cool colors. Blue, reddish, purple, darker blue, green, white, off. So that's that. Now let's show you how the water works. So you got 2 tanks, one on the bottom, which you open kind of strangely like that. So this would be one that you'd want to fill with ice. And you could put the ice in there, the nice filter here, so that's good. What's going to happen is if you put this, fill this with ice and a little bit of water, then this filter gets wet and it's going to suck up that water. It's not really a filter because there's really nothing there. You can kind of go right through it. It's actually basically like a piece of cardboard that's going to soak up the water that you put in this tank, and then it will draw it upward, and then when it pushes, it's going to push air and vapor through the fan. So we're going to pause that one and we're going to show you the top one first. So this top one is just a screw top where you can pour the water in, and then there are a couple little holes here where it'll drip down in there. So we're going to fill that one first. Clean tap water or mineral water. Don't use distilled water. They say that'll mess it up. So just pour some water in here. Okay. Reattach this. And then let's see if that seems to be getting damp. Yeah, a little bit. It's getting wet, so that's good. Turn it on, and now we will use high, low, high and low. So what's that doing? It's misting water out of there. So you can't really see it on the camera. I can't really see it either, but I can feel it. So what this is it's now humidifying the air. So this is an excellent humidifier as well as an air cooler or conditioner. If you really want it to be a cold air conditioner, then I would recommend, like I said, filling this bottom with ice so that way this air is drawn up. You could even put ice water in the top here because the colder the water, then the colder the mist that's going to come out. Otherwise, it's really just a fan. It's not really an air conditioner. So that could be a little bit misleading. But I would say overall, very easy to use product. I like the light function, kind of neat. I like how you can control the humidity. I'll probably just hang on to it and use it as a humidifier. But $70 humidifier probably don't need, so maybe get rid of this and just get a cheaper one. But very cool. The air is cold, I will say that. Like, there's a cold air coming out of here, more so than just a fan. So that's a neat product. Again, we've got an unboxing video you can watch, and if you want to see a product review video, go to the Honest Reviews YouTube channel and a card up here, and you can check that out as well. So I hope you like this video. I also hope you subscribe to the channel, hit that like button and the bell icon below. In addition, please consider supporting us by becoming a member of the channel or giving us a one-time contribution to support the work we do here at How To Video Channel. Thank you.